my name is LaTanya. I've been here 8 years. I was sitting there, I had 2 young boys, 2 young men. And I was like, all right, I need to kind of look at jobs that have pensions, that provide retirements. Initially, I was looking online and there was a train operator. And at that time, they didn't really hire externally. I believe I just have a can-do attitude. And I'm like, you know what? Why not? I'm gonna throw my hat in because I'm a firm believer in if you don't try, you're only limiting yourself. I started in operations, light rail operations. 5 years ago, I went over to maintenance and I was at the Midvale shop the whole time and learned lots and just moved up. I applied for a light rail maintenance supervisor. I'm very grateful they offered me the position. It was the retirement and this offered a pension and a 457. It was medical benefits, it was guaranteed 40 hours a week. As a mom, it meant security. So I can take personal time or I could take vacation. I didn't have to stress as much. I didn't have to work 2 jobs. So if you're thinking about applying, if there's anything that interests you at all about transportation, about trains, about buses, about locomotives, oh my gosh, there's so many different options. All you have to do is get your foot in the door.